The 2011 Audi R8 twin-turbo by Underground Racing. Usually when people think of underground racing, they're liable to think of extreme tuning kits for Lamborghini and Ferrari models because that's what they are used to seeing. However, about a year and a half ago, Underground Racing announced the beginning of a tuning project for the beautiful Audi R8 V10, and now that kit has come to fruition in 4 different stages. The new Audi R8 by Underground offers 3 different twin-turbo engine upgrades, as well as a race version, to satiate the speed desires of R8 fanatics. The first stage will raise the output to 700 whp on pump gas 93 octane or 1000 whp on race fuel for a bargain price of $39,000, while the second stage puts out 850 whp on pump gas or 1200 whp on race fuel for $69,000. The final standard stage will take power up to 1000 whp on pump gas and 1200 on race fuel for a whopping $94,000. Now, if anyone is prepared to pay close to the base price of another R8 V10, then the race version kit is up for grabs for a staggering $109,000. This ultimate tuning upgrade will take the standard 525 HP up to 1000 whp on pump gas and a killer 1500 whp on race fuel. Hit the jump to watch the 1000 whp version in action. 4-stage recap. Stage 1 turbo system with modified engine. 700 whp on pump gas 93 octane 1000 whp on race fuel VPC 16 117 octane R8 models at $39,000. Stage 2 turbo system with modified engine. 850 whp on pump gas 93 octane 1200 whp on race fuel VPC 16 117 octane R8 models at $69,000. Stage 3 turbo system with modified engine. 1000 whp on pump gas 93 octane 1200 whp on race fuel VPC 16 117 octane R8 V10 models at $94,000. Race version turbo system with highly modified engine. 1000 whp on pump gas 93 octane 1500 whp on race fuel VPC 16 117 octane R8 V10 models starting at $109,000.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.